Alright, how's it going, guys? This is Zach Class, and we're going to be doing something.
No, everybody else is going to be doing that. You're going to be asking questions.
No, I'm going to be deadline.
Alright, so today is I can multiply polynomials, which is a level 1, because really we're just using our exponent terms. When you multiply like bases, what do you do to the exponents?
Add them.
You add them. Take a point.
Yeah.
So today we're going to be adding exponents. What do you do with the coefficients? Coefficients.
What?
Look at you go. Take a point.
Common sense, I blew them.
Alright, so please open. 44A.
Okay, she flipped her paper up. And I wasn't asking you.
Alright, so again, when we multiply like bases, what do we... Okay, it's recording, and I'm tired of talking over you. So the next group that I have to tell to be quiet, you're losing all 5 points. I'm done. Get it together. Alright, when you multiply like bases, what do you do to the exponents? Add them. So, are these two like bases? We have A and A, those are like bases. So what will we do with the M and the N? Add them. So it would be A to the M plus N. So we're still using exponent rules. Does everyone understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say it to me again. Can I what? Alright, when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. So A to the M times A to the M to the N is A to the M plus N. So you add the exponents. So over here, what are we going to do with the 4 and the 6? Are we going to add them or multiply?
Multiply.
Add. It's the same thing, guys. It's the same thing. It's x to the 10th power because 4 plus 6 is 10. When you multiply like bases, add the exponents. So please write that down. Add the exponents. And it's probably important since I keep saying it over and over and over again. Sean, do you need a foldable?
Yeah, I went to your
Here's one.
Will you pass it to him, please? We got them on Friday. Alright, are we ready?
Yeah.
Now our 4 and 6 exponents on example 1. What are they called? Coefficients. Take a point. So what are we going to do with the coefficients? Are we going to add those or multiply them? You're going to multiply the coefficients. You add the exponents, you multiply the coefficients. 4 times 6 is?
24.
Alright, now what are we going to do with the 3 and the 5?
You're going to add.
Why do we add those?
Because they have like bases too.
Awesome. Alright, what are we going to do with the 4 and the 6?
You're going to add
And get?
10.
Look at us go. Now, our first Flappy is a monomial times a monomial. Monomial means how many terms? One term. So we have 1 term times 1 term. You multiply the coefficients, you add the exponents. So can you guys please try example 2 without me?
What color are you going to use next?
Crazy person. If everybody at the table gets it right, we'll get a point. So check and make sure you're all right.
You guys got it?
Miss Asbury,
Yes.
do you have Mitchell Bailey?
Yes.
Please send them to see Miss Box.
Yes.
Our office.
Yes, Sam, I will.
Thank you.
So I'm sorry.
Have a good time.
You never do it.
Wait, if you're going to hear out,
No, wait. It's never good.
It's recording.
Okay.
You got it, guys?
All right, do we have it?
Guys.
no, hang on.
Why do you think we're
Because I love you.
You already got it.
All right, bow buttons. Do you think you have the answer? Bow buttons.
Yes, we have an answer.
Okay, can one of you tell me what the answer is? Okay.
Okay. We're done checking.
X to the. Okay.
Y to the second.
Square.
Why is this purple?
And Z to the sixth.
Fantastic. Take a point. Did anybody? Okay, Blair. Did anybody's whole table get it right? Take a point for your team if your whole table got it right.
Oh yeah, we did. Okay.
That was easy.
Well,
Say that now.
it doesn't get much more difficult.
Who said that?
You say that now.
Alright, so please draw a squiggy. Which, according to first period, is complete magic that I can draw that.
I can't draw it.
You're a muggle. Turn it sideways.
That is a good squeaky.
Thanks so much.
I get mine so much easier. Like little than big.
Alright, so what do we do to the exponents when we multiply like bases? Add the exponents. So let's write at Sean.
I was gonna see when you noticed I was doing circles.
And what do we do to the coefficients? Awesome.
Is he really like at my table? Like, do I need to write his name down on here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I don't think this is a permanent step.
It is.
Okay.
That is your established group. No, never.
That would be lit like a wick.
I can't go with you. Alright, are we done writing? May I turn my paper?
Yeah, she made your paper.
Alright, so now we're going to multiply a monomial times a polynomial, which means that we're going to have one term and we're going to multiply it by several terms. Now, how do we get rid of parentheses?
Multiply.
Distribute. Take a point, Slytherin.
Yes!
Jenna.
said that.
Really? Good job, Jenna.
So, we are still going to distribute. Now, everybody watch this magic. Are we ready?
Yes.
You're going to do 3m times 5m squared, which means you're going to do 3 times 5 and get 15. And what are we going to do with the exponents? Add. What's 1 plus 2?
3.
Does everybody see where I got the m cubed from?
Yes.
Now.
Because this is a 1, and that's a 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Alright, now we're going to do 3m times 2m. What's 3 times 2?
6m squared.
And m times m is m squared. Now, do we need to walk through that again?
The sarcasm in your voice is so overwhelming.
I was being serious. Oh my gosh, it is.
Right, hey.
Oh my gosh, it. Alright, calm down, Blair.
Chill.
Alright, so 3m times 5m squared. You do 3 times 5 and you get 15. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Does everybody see where we got that? Now we're going to do 3 times 2 and get 6. 1 plus 1 and get 2.
Bye.
Can you guys try example 4 without me?
So,
Multiply times everything.
I have a question.
Yes.
If it was like 5m plus 5m. No, wait, if it was 5m to the second plus 5m to the third, what would that be?
15m cubed plus 15m to the fourth.
If they're being added together?
Are you asking me if I distribute or what it would be in the middle?
What would be in the middle?
So like just this,
Yeah.
you wouldn't combine those because they don't have exponents.
I said 5m to the second plus 5m to the third.
Right, they don't have like exponents.
Oh, like.
Whenever you say, can I get my answer?
So you don't have 7g and like -3?
Uh-huh.
Still combining them? Or?
Yes, because we're multiplying, so you can do that.
So you can't combine it if you're adding or subtracting.
Right, because they're not like terms. But multiplying is a whole different animal.
Okay, because I was looking at that and it's bothered my head.
I think I got it.
What color do you want to do? Because you need to work out the problem.
I say my answer.
Yeah, y'all can say your answer. Make sure your whole table's right. Make sure your whole table's right for you to get the points. Y'all need to be talking to each other about the problem.
Yep. Did you get it, Savannah?
Why are you circling a point?
It's not because that doesn't have plus. Or the negative.
I saw you circle a point. Yes.
I'm not counting it as part of my table. I'm saying if I got it right.
Oh, did you guys? Okay, Sean, you wanted. I mean, John, you wanted to tell me the answer. Tell me.
I'll take a point.
7 G cubed plus 35 G squared minus 21 G.
Fantastic. Who else's entire group got it
I
right?
got that right, Miss Asbury.
If your whole group got it right, give your team a point. Right. And you can go over today because it's Monday. Alright, so you have to multiply 7g times g squared. That's 7 times 1, you get 7. 1 plus 2, you get 3. Does everyone, without screaming, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down that you understand where we got that from? Okay, Kobe, what don't you understand?
Uh-oh.
What part of it? No, is it where we got the 7 or the 3? I need to know.
Starting to
The
see
3?
similarities between the people.
When you multiply like bases, you add the exponent. So 1 plus 2 is 3. When you multiply like bases, you add the exponent. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Sean,
Yes.
stop. He said shush. I heard him say shh. And also he can't hear me instructing because you're talking. 1 plus 2 is 3. That's all I did. Okay. Now, 7g times 5g gives us 35. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Thumbs up or thumbs down that we see where we got that? Okay. There's something wrong with you. And then 7g times 3 gives us 21g. And it's a minus, so it is a minus. Thumbs up if you get that. Fantastic. You got to vote. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Like I got to see thumbs. All right. Fantastic. All right. Now, example 5. Mitchell, I can't go any slower. If I go any slower, I'm going backwards. Did Avery help you understand? Okay. All right. So example 5, we have negative 5a squared b. Now, are we going to do anything different just because we have two variables? No. Yes. Do y'all want to try it without me?
Yes.
Okay, try it without me.
Stop asking.
Parker, can you tell me what you got for example 5?
I got negative 15a 6 or exponent 6 to the 6th power, b to the 4th power, minus 30, a to the 4th power, and b to the 4th power.
Take a point. Whose whole table got it right? Take a point. Yeah. I will go over it. So negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. Alright, and then negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. You just add the exponents. That's all we're doing is adding the exponents.
Okay, I got it.
He comes in here like 5 minutes before the
Yes.
So when you multiply the negative 5 times 3,
Yes.
and then the 5 times negative
Parker.
the negative 5 times 6,
Yes.
and then we just add the exponent.
Yes. Just like we wrote up here, add the exponents, multiply the coefficients, that still falls. So we're going to write that over here.
Okay.
So turn your paper, everybody. Write your squiggy.
I love doing squeeze.
Add
I almost did it perfect.
the exponents. What do you do with the coefficients?
Multiply.
Fantastic. Multiply the, we did, so we're doing it over and over and over again, because don't you think it's important?
Definitely.
Multiply the coefficients. Alright, so y'all should move on to example 6 now. Some of us are done, but let's hurry up and move on to example 6. A negative and a negative make a.
So it would be positive.
Good. Hang on, let me pause this.
George, could you not come over here?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm done.
Tell me what you got for your answer on example 6.
Okay, negative 5y, and then, fifth, like, yeah, fifth to the fourth power, yeah. And then negative 30y to the fourth power plus 40y to the third power, or cubed.
Fantastic. Who else got that? Did anybody at the whole table get it right? Take a point.
You don't even have a point sheet because you took it.
Have you started writing stuff down?
Yes.
Then you've earned your 3 points that you have circled on here.
Oh.
Alright, so tomorrow we're going to do binomial times a binomial because it's a special way to do those. So today on the back of our paper we're going to keep practicing a monomial times a polynomial. So please turn your paper over.
Oh, we have a test on this?
Yes.
That's everything we do. Besides ourselves. No, we had a test on that. I remember.
We didn't have a test on the syllabus we did the first day. So
We
not
should
everything.
have. Alright, 44B. Alright, simplify each expression. So our first one, and you're going to have time to do these now. If you don't finish, then it's homework.
My homework in first period.
Are you gonna give us some more ones?
Make it difficult.
No, make it easy.
You make life difficult.
Oh!
Oh, I thought you.
That just gave you the L.
Actually, Bob's go.
Bob's.
Free K, aka money. If I had $3,000, then I could buy everything that cost $3,000.
Alright, so on A, B, and C, you just distribute. And on C, you have to distribute, then combine like terms if you can. Bless you. That sounded very painful.
You just paid these Christians back.